2024, we are dealing with the indices. Now, indices, so the indices, we are solving an equation. Now, when you look at it, it looks like quadratic, it looks like what? But let's look at first thing to attack. Let's look at this one. Why this one? Because we have a rule that says AM plus N is equals to AM dot AN. This is the law of indices. Now, with that, we can now say your 2 to the power 2x minus a 2 to the power x dot 2 to the power 2 minus a 32 is equals to 0. Then we continue 2 to the power 2x minus a 4 dot 2 to the power x minus a 32 is equal to 0. But there is a situation you should know again. That will say a to the power mn can be represented as a to the power nm, can also be a to the n of m, can also be a of m of n, right? So this is a rule that we're gonna use based on which one? Based on the first one here. So why am I doing that? You will see that I will say 2 to the power x bracket, and I put my 2 here, minus a 4, then I put a bracket 2 to the power x minus a 32 equals to 0. Then I let any letter you like, so I like a k, be a 2 to the power x. Then it becomes k squared minus 4k minus a 32 is equals to 0. When you get there, you will discover that it's now quadratic. We can factorize it. When you factorize it, it will be k minus 8 and k plus a 4 is equals to 0. Now, k minus 8 is equals to 0 and k plus 4 is equals to 0. So k is equals to 8 and k is not equal to negative 4. We don't want negative numbers because you are going to power. Powers are talking about logarithms. So you put back your 2 to the power x is equals to 8, right? Which is 2 to the power. Okay, let's use the other side for me not to go far away from wherever I want. So it's going to be 2 to the power x is equals to 8, which is 2 to the power x is equals to 2 to the power 3. So x is equals to 3. So this is the final answer. You cannot say you cannot do this. That 2 to the power x, I will put not equal to negative 4 because it's not allowed. Because when you try to take logarithm both sides, it won't work. So thank you very much. And this question in the exam, you normally get 5 marks for doing that. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and have a lovely day.